Eating raw eggplant has some benefits, but it also carries potential risks and side effects that should be considered. Benefits of eating raw eggplant: high in fiber, helps improve digestion and regulate bowel movements. Low in calories, suitable for weight loss and dieting. Antioxidants, contains anthocyanins, which help fight inflammation and support heart health. A good source of some vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins C, K, B6, folic acid, potassium, and magnesium. Risks of eating raw eggplant: contains solanine, a naturally occurring toxin found in small amounts in raw eggplant. It may cause stomach upset, nausea, or dizziness if large amounts are consumed. Difficult to digest. Some people may experience bloating or gas after eating raw eggplant. Bitter and unpleasant taste. Raw eggplant often tastes bitter and is not as enjoyable as when cooked. Possible stomach irritation or allergy. Rarely, some people may have an allergy to raw eggplant or experience stomach problems from it. General advice: it's best to eat eggplant cooked, grilled, boiled, or steamed to reduce solanine levels and make digestion easier, while still keeping its nutritional benefits. Do you like eggplant? How do you usually eat it?